Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Steam Market not loading issue. So if your marketplace just keeps spinning or won't open, don't worry, I've got you covered. So let's jump right into it. First up, the quickest fix, you want to try restarting Steam or your PC. Just go ahead and change your account here or sign out of your account or restart your computer. You can close your Steam client completely and make sure it's not still running in the system tray. Just right click the Steam icon near your clock and choose Exit Steam, then relaunch it. If it still doesn't work, just go ahead and restart your PC altogether, then open Steam and check if the market loads. But if that didn't solve it, you want to try the number two. The fix number two is to clear your download cache. To do this, just go to your Steam profile. Then from here, you want to click on Steam, then go to Settings. Then you want to choose Downloads. Then from here, scroll down and choose Clear Cache. That's it. Click on that, confirm it, and once it's done, restart Steam. This often clears up any temporary data that's preventing the market from loading properly. If it's still not working, then you can try fix number three. Just go ahead and reset your internet connection, either by restarting your router or switching to a more stable network, because sometimes it's just a temporary connectivity issue between your device and Steam's servers. And finally, if none of these work, you can try uninstalling and reinstalling Steam. But keep in mind though that by doing this, you will delete all your currently installed games and you'll need to reinstall them again. So try this if it's okay with you. And that's it. One of these fixes should get your Steam Market loading again in no time. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.